Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and service. Make sure your phone or CPE is 5G capable and the carrier account has 5G provisioned. Once done, update device firmware and baseband so radios support new bands. Next, swap in a 5G capable SIM if needed and back up your current APN and network profile settings. This avoids lost configs. While doing these steps, keep a signal log or screenshot for later comparison, because you will need baseline performance data for tuning. Now you configure radio and network parameters. You should manually enable the NR bands your carrier uses and prioritize those in the band list so the modem prefers 5G when available. Then update the APN to match 5G slice or carrier requirements and enable IP6 if required. Make sure cell reselection and RRC/handover timers support smooth NR-LTE transitions. This reduces fallbacks. Once these are set, restart the modem and monitor the network logs to confirm NR attach. Finish by validating 5G operation. Run throughput and latency tests and verify NR attach type. You want to compare results to your LTE baseline so you can confirm improvement. Next, optimize RF. Reposition antennas, enable carrier aggregation and MIMO where supported, and tune transmit power within regulatory limits. If 5G does not appear, recheck carrier provisioning, confirm the SIM supports 5G, verify enabled bands, and as a last resort perform a factory reset, then reapply settings. Troubleshoot with provider logs if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.